Hello all you wonderful people, especially all my patrons and members, and last but not least, of course, my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, why you're not subscribed, please help my channel. I really appreciate it, help it grow. Now, today's video is about my health and how I've changed direction, and it's the last video you'll be pleased to know that I'm going to do on my health and my health direction. Now, when you come to the Philippines or any other Asian country, you'll find that alcohol is very, very cheap. And if you're one of these that likes the alcohol, then perhaps Asia's not the place you want to be. Because when I come to the Philippines, I didn't realize that for years. Honestly, I swear to God, my Jesus Christ, my Savior, strike me down if I lie or if I exaggerate. When I come to the Philippines, I wasn't really a drinker. I like the occasional drink, but like everybody else, I could, stop at 2 or 3 bottles. I've had enough. But as time went on, and of course the never-ending parties when you marry a Filipina, because the families are endless, I started drinking a bit more and a bit more, and before I knew it, the drink was controlling me and I wasn't controlling the drink, which obviously isn't a good thing when it's mixed with depression. Now, don't ask me how it happened, but after 11th of December last year, that's when I stopped the drink. And normally what happens with an alcoholic, or not that I'm saying I was an alcoholic, I don't think it was that bad, but maybe people would disagree. What happens normally with an alcoholic or a drug addict is you can't go to a drug addict or alcoholic and say, pull yourself together, lad, what's wrong with you? Are you a man or a mouse? Stop this. You can't do that. You can't. And if you've known any people that like to drink or on drugs or whatever, any addiction, sugar's an addiction, you can't just go up to them and say stop. They have to stop. And they have to come off it slowly, small steps. Now, having said that, sorry guys, I can't, there's not really a road in the Philippines you can walk down and there's not this noise. I'm sorry, but you're going to have to bear with me. And if I try to get rid of the background noise, it affects the picture. I've been having a lot of trouble with this camera, guys. I hope this turns out all right. So what happened to me was I went to bed and I must have been in what they call REM sleep. It was a deep sleep. I was having a great sleep, which for me was very different. And God was in the room with me. Again, if I'm exaggerating or you think I'm telling lies, God strike me down. I swear on my kids' lives, this is the absolute gospel truth. So he's there in the room and he never said he was going to stop me drinking. I just said, God, what am I doing? What am I here for? What have you got planned for me? That kind of thing. Please help me stop drinking. And there was no expression on his face. There was no, I'm going to help you. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. Anyway, I woke up next morning. I stopped drinking. I never touched another drop. From the 11th of December last year till now, I've never had the urge to drink. I've never craved, nothing. And that's when I got into the fasting. Now, fasting, guys, it not only cures your health, but it also cures your mental health. I have never felt so good in my life for as long as I can remember. I swear. My moods have gone, my mood swings. I'm as calm as a cucumber. My head is clearer. He says. Sometimes I get brain fart. Sorry, guys. I try and edit it out. Happy birthday. All right. It's very early for me, but thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, happy birthday, guys. It's my birthday. Where's my present? So anyway, what I started to do straight away was looking on the internet, getting information, and I come across this fasting and what it can do for your weight loss, your health, your mental health. And I went straight, which is not recommended, by the way, and I'm not giving any medical advice. Go and see a doctor, blah, 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 you know the drill. I went on a 3-day fast. Well, I was ill. I was absolutely ill. I thought I was dying. But when I got into that 4th day, I had mental clarity, not 100%, but a lot better than I was thinking. I didn't feel hungry, and I just took it from there. And me being the guy I am, I just put a lot of effort and focus and said, I'm going to change direction. I'm going to be the better version of me, and I'm going down a health road, and I'm going to get into the best physical shape than I've ever been in my life, which even at this point, guys, I am. And I'm so proud of myself. You know, if I ever come across as boasting, bragging, please, I don't mean to do that. I really don't. The only regret, of course, is my face, because when you lose a lot of weight, guys, you're really overweight like I was. It comes off your face, then it comes off, you know, your arms and your chest, and the last place it comes off, for whatever reason, is your stomach. And that's the only place I'm struggling with. I mean, I'm not saying I've got a lot of weight on my stomach, I haven't. But I want to get my abs to show through. They're showing through around my rib cage, but around my stomach there's still a little bit of fat that I can't seem to shift. So anyway, you'll be very pleased to know, at least some of you will, this is the last video on my health and my direction. Unless, of course, I manage to get my abs to show through, then I want to show you my abs. It's not a gay thing, by the way, you know, I'm not gay. But I would like to show you where I've gone. My chest is as solid as hell. I used to have man boobs, but now I can move my chest with ease. And people are constantly commenting on my arms. My arms are really big and, you know, defined. Even when I come to the Philippines, I've been doing the gym for 5 years, my body never looked as good as this. Now, of course, I wasn't 64 then, so my skin's not elastic like it used to be. So, I mean, if you're overweight, be prepared, your face is going to look terrible, but I'd rather, you know, go forward with this face than the fat face and the fat belly and constantly ill. Whereas now, I feel damn great, guys. I mean, my friend keeps saying to me, Chris, you know, when you're on the video, can you put some energy into it? Because you can't say, yeah. I know I do it, but it's not because I'm being miserable, guys. It's because I'm so relaxed. I'm really so relaxed. So anyway, the next bit, I'm not sure if I'll put it into 2 videos. I don't think I will. You'll just have a long damn video and it'll be like 30 minutes long, and you probably watch it for 3 minutes, which is about the average watch time on my videos these days. But it's okay. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. So the next part, after I stop yapping, is I'm going to show you just, I think, about 4, 5 exercises I do. Look guys, I do a lot of exercises different to what you're going to see. The Asian squat, I do it every day. That's where I'm squatting down with my bum nearly on the floor, and then the other ones where I'm going up and down. You know, I do that a lot. I need a kettlebell, is it called? Kettlebell. That maybe a 20-pound one. I need a bench. I need some weights. But that'll all come in time. You'll have to, obviously I'm in the house, so you'll have to excuse the mess in the house because it was totally wrecked during the flood. And you know, even if I could put right the things that needs putting right, I haven't got the, you know, not the energy or not just the money, I just haven't got the want to do it. There doesn't seem much point. So I hope you've been interested in what I've got to say. I hope it means a lot to you. Now if you watch the video and you listen to what I'm saying, guys, you can really change your health direction, your life direction, your mental clarity if you just try and do a little bit. Listen to your body, and if it gets too much, stop. If you do a couple of days of training and then the third day you're in a lot of pain, give yourself 2 days to recover. It's your body telling you you've hurt yourself, your muscles have, you know, broke, they need to rebuild, they need to heal. After a couple of days you'll feel okay again, and then you can start again and just keep doing that. You know, intermittent fast. I don't have anything after 6 to eat, and I don't eat before 12. Now, you do something like that and you're overweight, the weight will just drop off you. The problem is, if you're a big guy, your stomach will probably end up around your knees. Unfortunately, that's one of the drawbacks of losing a lot of weight and losing a lot of weight quick. But if you do what I've done, you'll lose a lot of weight quick. I did. You'll see the... Sorry guys about the noise. You'll see the photograph. I'll show it again on the next bit where I'm doing a few exercises. Again guys, I'm not doing loads of exercises because the video would go on forever. Now I just exercise until I fail, till I can't pull myself up, like on the pull-up bars, or if I do push-ups, sit-ups, Asian squats. I just do it till I can't do it no more. And that's what you need to do, and eventually you'll find that the more you do it, the more you can do, the less you've got pain, and then your pain will eventually go away. It'll sort your back problems out if you've got back problems, knee problems, because if you don't, guys, they say death starts in the knees. Right guys, just like I said on the walk, I'm going to show you a few exercises. We're not going to get into reps and all that. Whatever exercise I do, if you can do it, just do it until you fail, which is what I do. I just like pull-ups, I do them until I fail, and then that's it. So first we're going to do the pull-up bar, second we're going to do press-ups, then we're going to do sit-ups, then we're going to do the Asian squat, and see how it goes. When I started doing this, guys, this is the only thing I've got that's equipment. It only cost me about 600 pesos, 700 pesos, and it really helps build your arms. Now when I first started doing it, I could barely pull myself up once. Now the only drawback here is the roof is really low. Now really, your feet should be at least 5-6 inches off the floor. You should have to jump to get on it. But because I'm tall and the roof's only low, it's not great, but it works for me. The other thing is, I bought a mat to do my press-ups on, sit-ups. So all in all, it's cost me 1,000 pesos. Now look, I would recommend that if you're doing stuff at home, all you need is 3 sets of dumbbells and a bench, a cheap bench. Sit up, you know, on that where you can sit up and do some weights. That's all you need. When I'm in the position, that's what I'm going to do. So apart from that, I've got to where I am now, but just what I'm going to show you You do the exercises until you fail, right? Until you can't do any more. And then it's up to you to do them in sets. Now I go for my walk like I've just shown you, 10,000 steps, and when I come back, I do about 3 hours a day, but I spread it out during the day. I don't just do a constant 3 hours, it's too much. First exercise that I do, right? Now bearing in mind when you do this, guys, don't let yourself swing, because if you swing, you're just wasting your time. You've got to control the pull-up. So here we go. Now I'm not going to go till I can't do any more, guys, because this will go on for ages. Once you get used to it, 3 sets of 10, maybe something like that, and do that as much as you can. So here's the next one I do. Bearing in mind, don't jump up, guys. Use your arms to pull, don't jump. I did 10. I could do more, but the video is going to go on and on. This is my 300 pesos gym mat. You can do it from home, guys. You can change your appearance over a period of time. Really easy. If you just put effort into it, you sort your diet out, the weight will drop off you. The only thing I'm a bit disappointed about, of course, is my face. Right, guys, as you can see, I'm putting my hands in just a little bit. Make sure I'm over my hands, straight back. Do as many as you can till you fail. Now I can do 25 maybe before I start straining. Do as many as you can and just build up. You don't force yourself to do the push-ups, just do as many as you can, and over time you'll be able to do more and more and more. Let's go on to the next exercise I do. Right, guys, the next one's the sit-ups. You all know how to do these. I'll put a little bit extra into it by doing like different knees and twisting for my stomach. Hopefully I'll see results in the next few months. I don't know. Here we go. So 10, but I could do a lot more. So the next one I really like is the squat. I could barely do it when I first started, guys, but it's not too bad now. So you don't spread your legs too much, just enough. Right, then you go down. Try and keep your back as straight as you can. And you just keep going again until you fail. You can't push yourself back up again. And you keep going on and on and on, like I say, till you fail. Now the last one you must try to do is the Asian squat, because that's going to loosen your knees, your ankles, your pelvis, and your spine. Now, when I first started to get into this, I had to get some help. I had to hold the settee or a chair and just go down gently, because my knees, my back, everything was hurting. Now, nothing, right? So, You should be able to do at least 5 minutes of this, but when you first start, maybe a minute at a time, and then keep going until you can endure more and more and more and more. So here we go, Asian squat. You've got to drop as far as you can. Now it's called the Asian squat because people in Asia do this squat, and it's so natural to them. I mean, it was for us when we were kids, wasn't it? We could do all this, but when I first started doing this, my God, I was falling over. I couldn't stand up. I couldn't do anything. Now bear in mind, guys, I'm 64, so I'm not a young spring chicken. Just let me remind you what I looked like before I started all this. And you see how big I was. So I've been squatting here now for about 10 minutes. Now before, when I was squatting and I tried to get up, I couldn't get up. I'd fall over. I was in that much pain. It looks easy, guys, but it's not. But now, watch. No problem. Now if you think it's easy, just try the Asian squat now. So it's really interesting, and you can see my progress and how I've got to where I am from where I was. If you like this video, please leave a like in the video, leave a comment. If you're doing something like this, tell me about what you're doing, what you're eating, if you're walking. Let's have a conversation about it. Let's get some more fit people out there, get you doing some exercise, and especially in Asia, guys. You know, you don't want to end up in hospital, do you? So anyway, thanks guys. Please subscribe, hit the like button, all the rest of it, and we'll see you on the next video.